Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Today is Saturday, February 11, 2023. Me Danny Campbell and me give the news in the Jamaican language. First, let me give the headline then. The Jamaica Constabulary Force say more and more people are kill themselves now in Jamaica. The police report say one next man wey work at Sagicor Bank get charged for fraud. The St. Elizabeth police investigate the number of broken them in the community of Leeds and Ginger Ground in Malvern. One man wey did a walk on the road in a Spanish town dead after a truck licking down. 18 years old Nataja Anglin from Shelley Avenue, Kingston 20, missing since Thursday, February 9. And the Westmoreland police them investigate one robbery of one ATM machine in a Darlington in a Westmoreland. Now for the full story then. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, say more and more people are kill themselves now in Jamaica, and most who are dead are the older man them. The JCF said the rise in a suicide supposed to concern the people them in charge of health, every family, and all of the community member them in the country. As according to police, a 27 report them get about people who kill themselves in the 3 months them from November to January, and that enough compared to the year them before now. Out of the 27 report them, 23 of them are man, and most of them over 40 years old. The police report say one next man wey work at Sagicor Bank get charged for fraud. Them say 26 years old Tishan Samuels, one client care officer at Sagicor, get arrested and charged by the fraud squad Thursday we gone. Them charge her for robbery as a servant, plan for rob, and access with the intention to do or help to do one crime. Reports say between July and August 2022, them claim say Samuels planned with nether people to rob the bank at over 65 million Jamaican dollar. She get bail for 1 million Jamaican dollar. Samuels supposed to go at the Carpet Area Criminal Court Tuesday, February 21. The St. Elizabeth police investigate the number of broken them in the community of Leeds and Ginger Ground in Malvern. Reports say between 10 o'clock Thursday night and 4:30 Friday morning, them broke in at least 3 houses and 3 business. Some of the things them with them thief are poker game box, cigarette, CCTV camera, and liquor. One man wey did a walk on the road dead after truck lick him down a Spanish Town bypass in a St. Catherine Friday morning. Him a 42 years old Kevin Henry, one Igla from Spanish Town. The truck driver said him did a drive on the bypass about 4:45 in the morning when one man run out in the road. Him say him couldn't do nothing cause the truck well load and hard for tap. Him said the man did a wear dark clothes. 18 years old Nataja Anglin from Shelley Avenue, Kingston 20, missing since Thursday, February 9. She dark skin, slim, and about 170 centimeter or 5 foot 7 inch tall. Report from the Duane Park police said the last time somebody see Anglin, she did in a one grey long sleeve blouse, black pants, and a pair of black boots. Anybody will know where Anglin there. If you contact Duane Park Police at 876-933-4280, the police 911 emergency number, or the nearest police station. The police them investigate one robbery at one ATM in a Darlington in a Westmoreland. Them thief the machine where it have about 8 million Jamaican dollar, and them find back the machine, but no money no in there. The ATM get thief from Jamison Service Station. The Westmoreland police still investigate. Me Danny Campbell, and me just hear the news in the Jamaican language. Happy Saturday.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.